my name is Hao Zong. I'm here to help you to use office work tools such as Excel and Power Automate. If you think my videos are helpful, please help me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you. Hi, this is a video to show you how to print a list of Excel files in a folder. The first step to do this is you use get files in folder. Right, then you put in the folder name, and then file filter is *xlsx. Leave the advanced drop down as default. Variables produced is files. Then you use for each current item in files. You launch Excel and open the following document. Use current item as document path. Make instance visible. Open as read only. Leave advanced as default. Variables produced is Excel instance. The reason we put current item is we cycle the list of files one by one as current item. Next, you send keys. Send keys to foreground window. I will put this text in the link in the description below. This is actually all the shortcut to print an entire workbook. Delay between keystrokes, you can put it as 1000. I put it as 5000 so that you can see the keys in action in slow-mo. Then you use wait for window. By title and or class, save print output as. So this will wait for the save print output as window before it keys in the path to save the PDF. Wait for window to open. Focus window after it opens. Enabled. Then this step is because I want to save the PDF file in the same folder. So text to parse is current item. Text to find is XLSX. So I replace the extension XLSX to PDF. Then you send keys, right? You will ask Power Automate to write down the whole path of the PDF file and then press return. Delay between keystrokes is 10. Then you have to wait for 5 seconds or longer depending on how big is your file. So adjust this accordingly. So my files are small, so I just wait for 5 seconds. So normally you can adjust it to maybe like 30 seconds to be safe. It all depends on your file size. Then you close Excel instance, and then before closing Excel, do not save document. So I am going to run the Power Automate program, and then you can see it in action in slow motion. So there are 3 files that I want to print. So I press run now. So it will open up the first file. Right, then you can see all my shortcut. So alternate, then it will type on P, then it will go down to print entire workbook. Right, then it will click on alternate again, and then it will click on print. Then it will put in your PDF file, and then it will print. Then it will close, then it will cycle through again to the next file. The reason it's being so slow is because the duration that I put is longer. You can put the duration as shorter. Now to the last file. So it's all done. If I go back to the folder, you can see there are 3 PDF files now. Let me just open one and just check. Yeah, this is correct. One more thing, make sure that you change the delay between keystrokes to maybe 1000 so that it will be quicker. Also, another thing is remember to change your default printer as print to PDF. I hope this video has helped you. If it helps you, please give the video a like and please remember to subscribe. And you can also keep me a coffee by clicking on the PayPal link below. I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.